Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to change your Netflix plan. Don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin. Now let's get into it. First thing you want to do is we open up your Netflix on the desktop and then you go to the top right corner and hit settings. Once you go to settings, under the account, there's a space called account details. You click account details and it'll open up on the web browser. And once you get to the web browser, you can see all these sections, membership and billing, plan details. So once you get to plan details, there's a part called change plan on the top on the right corner. Once you click that, you get to the change streaming plan section. And here you can basically change to any plan you want. My current plan is premium, and if you want if you want to downgrade or if you want to upgrade, you can just click what you want and then press continue. And once you're done with that, it'll go on to change your plan, and that's pretty much it. I hope this helped for you guys, and thank you for watching.